Have you ever finished designing something only to realize the canvas size isn't quite right? Maybe it's perfect for Instagram, but now you need it for YouTube or a poster or a thumbnail. Don't worry, resizing your canvas is way easier than starting from scratch. Let's break it down. If you're working in Canva, all you need to do is head to the top menu bar and click on Resize. Now, this feature is available in Canva Pro, so make sure you're using the upgraded version. Once you click it, you'll see a list of preset dimensions for different platforms, like Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or A4 documents. Just select the one you need, and Canva will instantly resize your project to match that format. But what if you want something more custom? You can manually type in your own dimensions, choosing between pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters, whatever suits your project best. Now, here's something important most people overlook. When you resize, some design elements might shift or stretch a little. After resizing, always take a moment to adjust your text, images, and layout so everything looks perfectly aligned again. If you're using Photoshop instead, you'll find this option under the image menu. Click on Canvas Size, and a pop-up window will appear where you can input your new width and height. You can even choose which direction the canvas expands by adjusting the anchor point. Whether you're in Canva or Photoshop, resizing your canvas at any stage is totally possible. It just takes a few clicks and a bit of rearranging. So next time your design doesn't quite fit, don't start over. Just resize, realign, and keep creating like a pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to keep learning and experimenting with your designs, because great design is all about flexibility and creativity.